Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to sign up OneDrive. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type onedrive.live.com. On the OneDrive homepage, you will see an option to sign in. Click on it. After that, click on Create One. You will be promoted to enter email address. You can use an exciting Microsoft account, example Outlook, Hotmail, or create a new one by selecting get a new email address. After that, click on next. Enter a strong password for your Microsoft account. After that, click on next. You will be asked for your first name and last name. Enter your first name in first name field and enter your last name in last name field and click on next. Choose your country and set birth date. Click on next. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully signed up for a OneDrive account. You can now start using OneDrive to store and access your files from anywhere. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.